Where is the something? Why you were empty-handed? Where is the something? Go get it. Where? Again. What? What is that? Huh? Food? Ah, food. Vegetable. Show it to Mama. Why are you here? You want to show it to Mama or not?
Yes.
Oh, go get it. Go get the plastic bag. Baba, he's not interested anymore. I will put them in the refrigerator, right?
No.
Oh, go get it.
Go get.
Huh?
It's too big.
It's too big. It's too big, Baba. So heavy. Oh, Mama will help you.
Wait.
What is that, Zaid?
Wait.
Get it from the other hole. There. What is that?
Wait.
What color is that?
Black.
Oh, how about the other one? The other grape. What color? The other grape. Where is it?
Chicken liver.
A chicken liver. Show me.
Brown.
Oh, brown color. No, I'm asking for the grapes. Oh, there. What is that?
Pumpkin.
Ah, pumpkin. Very good. He remembers. Oh, the other ones. Iron. Why you bought iron? You still have iron.
Beans.
Beans. Very good. Oh.
Beans.
Huh? What is that?
Beans.
Another beans? Why you bought 2 beans, Baba? No, the other one is not beans. Beans. Yes.
Carrot.
Yeah. Yes. Too much. Oh, the beans too much. Oh my gosh. And then you paid it, right? Too much. I think from someone else. What is that? That is leaves. What leaves are these? Malunggay. Oh, the others. Tell Mama the others. What is that?
Iron.
What iron? What is this?
Iron.
Iron karon. Leaves also. What kind of leaves is this? Are these?
Green.
No, this is kangkong.
Kangkong.
Yes. Next.
Iron.
His mouth always iron.
Iron.
What iron? All iron hapakot karon. Which one? What is that? Oh, what is this?
Iron.
No. Oak.
Aqua.
See, you know it. You just
Iron.
want to, you know.
Iron.
Oh, iron. Oh, enough na. Oh, sige, go play.
Yeah, there was a lady beside us.
Yeah.